Welcome to Section 1, the Digital Gold Rush. New opportunities await. In this section, we will explore the vast potential that the digital world offers to anyone willing to dive in. The internet has changed everything. It's a revolutionary force that has transformed how we live, work, and play. It's not just a place to connect, it's a goldmine for making money. The opportunities are endless, from e-commerce to digital content creation. Digital marketing is the key. It helps you reach people who want what you offer. With the right approach, you can create compelling campaigns that resonate with your target audience. Whether you're a small business or a big brand, digital marketing levels the playing field. It allows you to compete with larger companies by leveraging creativity and data-driven strategies. Gone are the days of expensive billboards and TV ads. The digital age has democratized advertising, making it accessible to everyone. Now you can target your ideal customer directly. Social media platforms offer sophisticated tools to pinpoint your audience based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Social media, SEO, and influencer marketing are your tools. These strategies help you increase visibility, drive traffic, and build a loyal customer base. With the right strategy, you can turn clicks into customers and watch your income grow. Influencers can amplify your message and create authentic connections with your audience. This isn't about luck, it's about understanding the digital landscape. Analyzing data and metrics will guide your decisions and optimize your campaigns. It's about knowing your audience and speaking their language. Tailoring your content to meet their needs and preferences is crucial for success. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate this exciting world. You'll learn the latest trends, tools, and techniques to stay ahead of the curve. Get ready to unlock the secrets of digital marketing and discover a world of opportunities waiting for you. The journey ahead is filled with potential, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Welcome to Section 2 SEO Alchemy, turning keywords into customers. In this section, we will delve into the magic of transforming simple keywords into powerful tools that drive customers to your business. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the backbone of digital marketing. It's the art and science of enhancing your online presence to attract more visitors. It's about making your website visible on search engines like Google. The higher your site ranks, the more likely people are to find you. Think of keywords as the language of the internet. They are the terms and phrases people use to find information online. When someone searches for something, they use keywords. These keywords are the bridge between what people are looking for and the content you provide. Your job is to make sure your website appears when they search for those keywords. This is where the magic of SEO comes into play. This involves optimizing your website content. Every piece of content should be crafted with SEO in mind. Use relevant keywords naturally in your text. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can harm your rankings. Build high-quality backlinks from other websites. These links act as endorsements for your site. These act as votes of confidence for your website. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears to search engines. Technical SEO is also crucial. It ensures that your website is technically sound and can be easily crawled by search engines. This involves optimizing your website's structure and code. A clean, well-organized site is more likely to rank higher. A well-structured website is easy for search engines to crawl and understand. This means better indexing and higher rankings. The result? Higher rankings and more visibility for your business. More visibility means more potential customers finding you. SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. It requires continuous effort and adaptation. Stay updated on the latest algorithm changes. Search engines frequently update their algorithms, and staying informed is key to maintaining your rankings. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your progress. These tools provide valuable insights into your website's performance. Remember, patience and consistency are key to unlocking the power of SEO. It takes time to see results, but the long-term benefits are worth the effort. Welcome to Section 3, Riding the Social Wave, where trends turn into profits. In this section, we will explore how businesses can leverage social media trends to drive profits and growth. Social media isn't just about connecting with friends and family. It's a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and foster customer loyalty. It's a platform where businesses can engage directly with their customers, receive feedback, and create a community around their brand. But it's not enough to just be present. You need to be active, engaging, and up to date on the latest trends. Staying current with trends allows you to remain relevant, and capture the attention of your audience. Each platform has its own unique audience and style. Understanding these nuances is crucial for effective social media marketing. Instagram is perfect for visually appealing content. High-quality images and videos can captivate your audience and showcase your products or services in a compelling way. Twitter is ideal for sharing news and engaging in conversations. It's a great platform for real-time updates and customer interaction. Facebook is great for building communities and running targeted ads. Its robust advertising tools allow you to reach specific demographics and interests. Identify the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Knowing where your audience spends their time helps you focus your efforts and resources effectively. Create valuable content that resonates with them. Content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience will keep them coming back for more. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and stories to keep them engaged. Diversifying your content keeps your feed interesting and caters to different preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your brand. Trying out different types of content and strategies can reveal what resonates most with your audience. Social media is all about building relationships. Engage with your audience by liking, commenting, and sharing their content. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Quick responses show that you value your audience's input and are attentive to their needs. Run contests and giveaways to increase engagement. These activities can boost your visibility and encourage more interaction from your followers. Be authentic, be human, and watch your social media presence translate into real business results. Authenticity builds trust and loyalty, which are key to long-term success. Section 4: Influencers, your brand's powerful allies. Influencer marketing is a game changer. Imagine having someone with a large and engaged following recommend your product or service. That's the power of influencer marketing. It's about partnering with individuals who have influence over your target audience. But not all influencers are created equal. Choose influencers who align with your brand values and target audience. Look for influencers who have a genuine connection with their followers. Authenticity is key to successful influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers to create authentic content that feels natural and not overly promotional. Offer exclusive discounts and promotions to their followers. Track the results of your campaigns to measure their effectiveness. Influencer marketing is a powerful tool for building brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, and ultimately, increasing sales. Choose your influencers wisely, nurture those relationships, and watch your brand soar to new heights. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Also, see the link below for more videos regarding making money. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for more videos you would like to see.